These secret microcaps will make you rich. It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one. Full transparency, family. This is super DJ plays. These are small caps. Some of these projects have not even hit a $1 million market cap. So anything can happen in crypto space. These are small cap gems, all right? Gems, but you got to understand, never invest what you're afraid to lose. Anything can happen in crypto. Any crypto can go to zero. So I want you to keep that in mind. And you have to be extra cautious with these micro caps. But how do you get rich in cryptocurrency? Your favorite YouTuber ain't gonna tell you this, family. Is through finding micro caps. Polygon was a micro cap at one point. Bitcoin was a micro cap. Ethereum was a micro cap at one point. So you gotta understand where to look at as far as micro caps, utility, and narratives. All right, so let's get into it. Super DJing. We're going to be talking about tokenization, and we're going to be talking about the $1 trillion industry, which is real estate. All right, so the first project I want to talk about, family, is Elysia. All right, Elysia. In full transparency, if you're part of the Patreon, you already got these projects, so salute to you. Join the Patreon if you're interested in getting early access to some of my microcap utility videos. Consider joining the links. The links will be in the description. All right. L5 cryptocurrency. Let's talk about it. This project is sitting at 2 cent, family. It's listed on a few chains here, Ethereum and BNB. The market cap is 1 million. The circulating supply here is 50% of the max supply, which is 100 million. So you know this token can fly. Sitting here at 2 cent, I feel like Elysia is a steal. It's going to play off that tokenization and real world tokenizing real world assets narrative. Elysia connects traditional and crypto finance, tokenize real world assets, invest in real world crypto assets. I'm gonna give you guys an example of how it works. Make sure you go check out the website. Make sure you go check out the white papers. Always do your due diligence on every cryptocurrency project. I've been following this project for about 3 weeks now, family, and just doing extensive research. Full transparency, I do own some tokens from all 3 of these projects. So yes, I do own tokens for all 3 of these projects. So make sure you guys do your research. They have over 35,000 followers on Twitter. Now, taking a look at L3 from a chart perspective, you can see here that this thing is looking like it wants to put in a mean cup and handle. It's finally pumping. We got into LC right around 1.314, and we've been riding the wave all the way up. It has since consolidated, so I decided to do the video today because I feel like this could be a perfect entry if this is something that you're interested in when talking about microcaps. Again, the market cap is only $1 million, family. $1 million, and the circulating supply is 50 million of the circulating supply is 50 million of 100 million, so 50, about 50% in circulate. It's always funny because you get coin market cap and dex tools. They always have like different they have different stats, so it's so confusing. So you make sure you always check coin market cap, coin gecko, just check all 3 of them, make sure everything lines up. I did check out the contract here. Contract checked out pretty good. Not too much to look for as far as the contract. And you can also see here, family, that the 24 volume is 22,000. So as the volume goes up, I expect the liquidity here to go up. They do have 121,000 in liquidity, so that's good to know. And I think that this project, if they execute the things that they plan on executing, which is this real world asset tokenization DAO, I think that this project could be huge as far as potential. The world's second DAO LLC qualified by the U.S. government. DAO LLC established first among listed projects. Asia's first DAO LLC. So another narrative there to keep an eye on. They also have partners here. They got a lot of partners for this project to only be sitting here at $1 million market cap. Just look at all the partners here. Chainlink, Fang, Crypto.com, Coinbase Custody. I was able to purchase this cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet using my Trust Wallet, swapping my BNB for the Elysia token. So let's get into what this token actually does. Elysia is a cryptocurrency project that aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto space. It offers utility, providing a platform to tokenize real-world assets and enabling users to invest in these assets using cryptocurrencies. One of the key use cases of Elysia is the tokenization of real-world assets. By leveraging blockchain technology, Elysia allows individuals and organizations to transfer tangible assets such as real estate or artwork into digital tokens. This is going to be huge. Everything will be on the blockchain. I don't think you guys understand that this is going to be huge. Not per se this project, but the narrative. This process enables fractional ownership and opens up the investments opportunities to a wider range of participants. So we're talking about fractional ownerships of artwork, real estate, watches, high luxury vehicles. Anything you could think of, commodities, bonds, gold, will be tokenized, okay, where you can buy fractions. You feel me? You and a group of investors can buy fractions, and you normally can't do that with real estate. But as you bring real estate to the blockchain, it's already $1 trillion industry. It's going to be even more bigger. Through Elysia's platform, investors can access real-world assets and diversify their portfolios by using cryptocurrencies. The project enables seamless transactions. Tokenization allows asset owners to raise capital more efficiently while offering DeFi liquidity providers access to a diverse range of real-world assets, investments that provide potential profitability and stability. So it's very, very important, family, as we see these new narratives come about, that you align yourself with the narratives that can bless you with the most gains. If you don't see it right before your eyes, tokenization will be one of the biggest narratives in the next crypto bull run. I'm personally aligning myself with some micro caps with utilities that can possibly maximize the potential of my portfolio. Of course, I do have blue chips. I've showed you guys on Twitter, but I think in order for you to really become a crypto millionaire, if you're not playing with a substantial amount of liquidity, you have to find good projects before they get listed on these exchanges, before they blow up, before they start, getting mainstream. And, this channel right here, we going to do the research for you, and then you go do the due diligence. All right. So next project I want to talk about is BACD. All right. Launching DeFi Mint, real world asset tokenization platform, a perfect ecosystem for issuers, companies, and investors. All right. So I think that this project, again, will be huge. I've talked about BACD on my Twitter. I've talked about BACD on my Patreon. In fact, family, if you were following the Patreon, we got into BACD back here. Okay, we got into BACD back here, and we've been riding this thing all the way up. That's why it's so important that you take and look at the links in the description, because I'm always doing research. I got a team that I do research with. We're always trying to update our Patreons and deliver alpha and value so we can get into these projects before they get listed on these exchanges. All right. And then I potentially, once I have confidence in these projects, I'll bring them to the YouTube channel. But first, I got to make sure that they're legit. I got to do extensive research. I got to hold them for a few weeks. I got to make sure everything lines up before I bring it to the YouTube channel. As you know, I talk about a lot of blue chips in my blue chip portfolio. But sometimes here and there, I like to talk about microcaps, but talk about more of that inside the Patreon. So BACD token, I think is going to be huge. It did, again, take a little pullback in the midst of this consolidation that we're seeing from the altcoin market, because, man, altcoins are getting killed right now. But this is a good thing, because Bitcoin is about to fly, and these microcaps will fly. You can see here the total market cap for BACD is 630,000, family. This hasn't even hit a million yet, okay? 24 volume is 10K, and the liquidity here is sitting at 55K. They got a lot of things that they're working on building. The liquidity here is locked for the next 198 years, all right? And they only have 1.5 holders. Let's take a look at Elfie here, has 1.6 holders. So you're seeing, family, that these projects here, less than 5,000 holders. A lot of opportunity. Now let's talk about what BACD is. So the real world use case for this project empowers investors to participate in private equity investments, gain liquidity, and potentially benefit from the growth of a portfolio of promising startups, all facilitated by the advantages of blockchain technology and security tokenization. Imagine a venture capital firm called BACD, which specializes in investing in promising startups. BACD decides to tokenize its portfolio of companies using the BACD token. By doing so, BACD aims to provide its investors with greater liquidity and flexibility in managing their investments. Investors who hold BACD tokens can now easily buy and sell fractional ownership in BACD's portfolio of growth companies. This allows investors to diversify their portfolios and gain exposure to the potential high returns associated with the private equity investments. Let's say an individual investor, Sarah, wants to invest in a private equity but lacks the capital to invest directly in startups. She decides to purchase BACD tokens representing fractional ownership in BACD's portfolio of companies. But wait, there's more, family. As the value of BACD portfolio increases over time due to successful investments in business growth, the value of Sarah's BACD tokens also appreciates. Sarah can track the performance of her investments in real time through transparent transactions recorded on the blockchain. If Sarah decides to sell a portion of her investment or exit completely, she can easily trade her BACD tokens on the digital asset exchange. So this is like trading real estate on steroids, okay? This is like, trading real estate on the blockchain, okay? So just imagine you got a property, let's say a corporate property that you want to invest into, and you and your group of investors would normally have to have, this insane credit score and insane amount of liquidity. Well, these projects are working to make it easier for the normal people like us, retail, to invest into real estate through fractionalization and tokenizing real world assets. Family, if you don't see what's being built before our eyes, I don't know what to tell you. All right, so the next project I want to talk about is WeCoin. And I'm bullish on all three. Like I said, I hold these projects. WeCoin, I brought this on the Patreon probably like a couple of days ago, all right? Okay, so the story behind WeCoin, I was like going through the Twitter, and I started like watching the videos, and I'm like, wow, this is interesting. Now, this one is super DJ and only 693 followers. I took a flyer on this super early, family, super early. I recommend you guys go through the Twitter, watch the videos, and watch some of the things that Weset.io is working to build. They're also doing a giveaway. And I'm not even going to talk about the giveaway. I want you guys to just go check it out yourself. So this project is the future of real estate. And I like the founder behind it. I watched his videos, and he seems like a guy that's already successful in the real estate industry. So very interested in Weset. They also have properties already. They have one of the most lit roadmaps for a microcap. This is super degen. But these guys, family, are about to blow. Fully doxed. The team is doxed. They are hiding nothing. I think this project is about to be the next big tokenization gem. It just is. The market cap is sitting at 300K, 24 volume, 25K in total liquidity, 28,000. Now, I would love to see the liquidity go up. That's one of my concerns about the WeCoin project, but I trust and believe that these guys will execute and deliver. The chart here is looking pretty healthy. We had a little bit of pullback, but when you look at the total supply, which is only 10 billion, this thing is sitting at 4 zeros. To put that into perspective, Polygon Matic was able to hit $3 with 10 billion max tokens. This project has 10 billion max tokens, family, and it's sitting at 403. Could you imagine the gains if this thing hit $1, $2? And let's not talk about $3, all right? So a lot of opportunity here. They have to execute. Anything can happen in crypto, but I'm going to take a flyer on this, as I feel like tokenization will be the next big narrative in the entire cryptocurrency space. Now, let's talk about the utility. Weset is a next generation platform that uses blockchain and NFTs to tokenize properties and offer exclusive usage rights divided into time periods. Now, what they do, family, is they have this giveaway where, they're doing, they're not really doing a giveaway. So they have a raffle that they're doing, all right? They got their own raffle system where there's only 100 tickets, right? And everybody has to put up $100 to qualify for this luxury apartment. But this is the thing, right? Whoever wins the raffle, right? It's only 100 tickets and it costs $100 per ticket, but it's only maxed out at 100 tickets. Whoever wins the raffle, and make sure you go check out the Twitter here and watch the video. Whoever wins the raffle gets the opportunity at the luxury apartment for the next 15 years. So you can travel and go on vacation, within the time slot for the next 15 years, and it's your property. Or you can choose to rent out the property if you win this raffle. Okay, so make sure you guys go check out the Twitter if that's something that you're interested in. I've never seen anything like it. I think this project is putting together a great concept. So back to Weset. It allows global users to securely transact with cryptocurrency or fiat for the exclusive rights to use properties. Weset modernizes real estate transactions, eliminates inefficiencies, and provides direct access to desirable properties in restricted markets. The platform benefits both buyers and developers by leveraging blockchain fairness, accessibility, transparency, and trust. Weset aims to become a leading crypto real estate brand, setting the standard for blockchain and NFT-based real estate transactions globally. This is alpha, family, all right? I'm not really breaking this down all the way down to the depth because then this video will probably be like an hour. You got to go do your own due diligence. I'm just giving you, the fundamentals from the surface, but go do your own research. This project is a gem. I will continue to keep an eye on it. For example, with Weset, you can use cryptocurrency to book a luxury beachfront villa for the vacation. By purchasing the corresponding NFT, you gain exclusive rights for desired dates. The blockchain ensures secure and transparent transactions, benefiting both you and the property owner. Weset revolutionized vacation rentals by tokenizing properties and expanding market opportunities through the blockchain technology. So go check it out, family. This project is doing a lot, man. Like I said, go watch these videos, man. Go watch the videos on Weset, man. Go watch the videos. The team is working. They're fully doxed. They're traveling. They're getting the word out. That's what you want to see from a team. They're not afraid of AMAs. They're not afraid of questions. Just go down to Twitter and watch some of these videos, man. And once you watch these videos, you'll probably get just as bullish as me on this project. And it's only a $300,000 market cap, all right? So y'all let me know what y'all think about these 3 microcaps. Yes, they are super degen plays. Yes, they are high risk and could possibly be high reward, but you have to trade responsibly. I want you to keep that in mind. Tokenization, real estate on the blockchain is the future. These some super DJ microcap gems. I'm sorry, man. It's your boy Crypto Billy. I'll see you in the next one.